Well, let's take a look at Blake's first engine rebuild. 51 GMC pickup with a 283 bored to 292 60 over here under the what should be where the hood is. Okay, let's go in the cab, crank it up, take a look at the gauges. Now we do still have an exhaust leak, so it's loud, but generally it runs smoothly, especially since it only has 1 hour or less running time on it. It runs very smooth for an engine in that condition, as tight as it is. Okay, here are the gauges. We have something like 45 pounds of oil pressure. Alternator's charging, fuel's a little low. Now look down here at the real temp gauge. It says we're about 160 degrees. There's the end. Blake did a really good job on this engine. I think the exhaust leak, good old homemade manifold, exhaust manifold on the driver's side. Maybe we can come up with something better than that. Show you pretty well how smooth it is. I'm going to set the camera right here on top of the alternator. You can see it's not vibrating badly at all. So it's hitting on all 8 lungs. Sounds pretty good. Let's ramp it up a little bit. The idle's set a little bit high. I like to keep it that way and keep the oil pressure up until it gets broken in a little. Here's the exhaust. Sounds good to me. Blake, you did a great job, buddy, and I appreciate your help.